In this video, we circumvent some World War II security, we examine a somewhat magical energy source, and we create light without a battery. This is a flashlight without a battery that is powered by manual force. In Dutch it's called a knijpkat, which literally translates to squeeze cat because of its sound resembling a purring kitten. To defy the shackles of censorship, I'll refrain from voicing the first translation that sprang to mind, although I do remain astonished that affectionate terms for parts of the human anatomy still face negative consequences in certain prudish pockets of the world. So this might be just a broken lamp, or something completely different. Let's see what's inside. So there are some ancient security features present in the form of uselessly complicated screws. I do have a bit that should be able to circumvent that security, but it's slightly different. So let's make it fit. Now that it fits, let's remove the screws. So here it is, close to 100 years old technology that survived the test of time. Here is the bulb, and it is a bit loose. Well, that was an easy fix. I still decided to make this video, because if you happen to have one of these with the same problem, you might not realize that it could be a problem you could easily fix, even without any spare parts. Now that we have it open, we can polish the in and outside of the lens with some polywatch. And put it back together again. So even though it was not a very complicated fix, I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and I hope you will join me in the next one. Bye then!